A Microsoft engineer was reviewing GitHub Copilot's training logs when he discovered something concerning. The AI had memorized lines of proprietary code from a private repository. This code, which was supposed to be secure, had become part of an AI system used by developers worldwide. The discovery happened during routine maintenance at Microsoft's Redmond campus. GitHub Copilot, launched in June 2021, had promised developers a revolution in coding productivity. But this discovery revealed potential privacy issues. If Copilot could reproduce proprietary code, what else was it remembering? The implications were significant. GitHub's internal documents reportedly revealed that Copilot's training dataset included private repositories. Amazon's Code Whisperer, launched in April 2022, had similar capabilities. Tabnine, an AI code completion startup, acknowledged training on selected private repositories. These companies weren't stealing code traditionally. Developers were uploading their intellectual property, thinking they were getting a private assistant. Instead, they were feeding a machine that could learn from their secrets. A computer science professor published a paper demonstrating that language models could reproduce training data under specific conditions. The AI wasn't just inspired by code, it was memorizing it. The technical architecture behind this data harvesting is complex. When you install GitHub Copilot, it analyzes your repository structure. Every function and variable name gets encoded into vectors that influence suggestions for other developers. The moment everything changed was when GitHub's CEO was asked if Copilot could reproduce exact code from training data. The answer was yes, revealing a potential problem for their business model. The human cost extends beyond corporate boardrooms. A developer discovered that her proprietary algorithms had been reproduced by Copilot for a competitor. The legal battle that followed highlighted issues with AI training and copyright law. Amazon Web Services explained how Code Whisperer processes private code, creating semantic fingerprints that persist in the model's memory. The privacy policies governing these AI systems are complex. GitHub's terms include an admission that private repository data is used for model improvement, but won't be directly reproduced. This raises questions about intellectual property rights. Whistleblowers claimed that Microsoft, Amazon, and GitHub were aware of the code memorization problem and had tools to exploit it. Internal communications suggested a project to identify valuable code patterns. The resolution to this story isn't a happy ending. It's a recognition that private code repositories are no longer private. AI code assistants have been trained on millions of private repositories, and that training is irreversible. The question isn't whether AI learned from private repositories. They did. The question is what to do about it now.